Hi guys. I decided to go ahead and do this vlog. I know I promised I would have the next vlog probably already up, but today has been very hectic, more than usual when it rains. And I said in the last vlog that it was gonna rain, and boy did it rain today. And I did get up at 5 like I said I was going to. But I got up a few minutes later, and it was one of those days, as you can probably guess. And I think my sinuses are starting to, Anyway, I got my coffee, but the bad part about that is this morning I thought the coffee pot was going to break. It was, the light switch kept flickering and flickering, like sorry, I thought there was a bee in the room, and I know there shouldn't be. But anyway, I had to unplug it and plug it into the little switch, a different outlet. So, and I'm making this really late. So I probably won't have this up until sometime tomorrow, because I'm probably going to go to bed in the next 30 minutes. Bossy, is that you? Sorry, that's a little loud. Just also letting you know how my day went. Like I said, I got up at 5. It was more like 5:15, but I did have my coffee. But yeah, I was happy I was able to have my coffee. But normally, if I don't have my coffee, it's like, I'm gonna have to get to a point where if I get up at 5, I don't come back to bed at all. Because if I come back to bed, I end up falling back asleep. So I'm gonna have to get in that routine, or I'll have to go downstairs and watch TV without. Because if I get back in bed before 10 or 11 o'clock, because if it's still daytime, my head will hit the pillow or just be like, basically hit the pillow. And sorry if you hear barking. Anyway, and then I'll fall asleep. It's very easy in this bed. But I got a lot of stuff done today. I did lots of laundry. I had about 2 naps. And we had the rest of the orange chicken, and then we cooked another batch. So that was actually the rest of the bag of the orange chicken. And I asked him, I was like, is there any more? And he just ended up, so yeah, we had the rest. And I did like a pasta thing. I did 2 pasta things. It's like a Mexican style thing. I don't know what it's exactly called. His mom brought it to us. But the seasoning smelled really good. And you had to put mayo in it. And I was happy that it didn't affect, my stomach. But and then I made mac and cheese. He loves when I make mac and cheese because he gets excited. I don't know why. It's like, because I think maybe because I put extra cheese. He loves to have extra cheese and stuff. Anyway, and for some reason I felt like I wanted coffee tonight, a little pick-me-up or something. But anyway, in the midst of watching TV right now. I was watching more movies earlier. I got a little craving for pizza. I think we might have lasagna tomorrow or the next day. But what I mean, it was really hectic here is like my sinuses want to act up when it rains, and my nose has been constantly running, and then I think my cold is basically, I don't necessarily have a cold, but it's like my allergies want to act up. And I've been taking stuff to, prevent that. But but I'm hoping that outside it was raining so bad that that was basically like a flood. Yeah, it was raining that bad outside. But it's not supposed to rain for the next couple of days, and then it's supposed to start again. And I seriously thought when spring got here, it was supposed to stop for a while. Because we went through a time where it did nothing but rain and rain and rain and rain. And now we're having to go through rain and rain and rain and rain and rain again. Ethan does not like it when it constantly rains around here. I can take it. Get in your cage. Bossy, get in your little bed, please. My dog just came in. He has a bed. I don't know if every dog has like one of those little cages that you would call a bed, but he has one. Boss, you hungry? I'll feed you in a little bit. Anyway, I'm gonna get off here, and I've always thought that when it rains, it's a good time, for sleeping because it's peaceful and to take a good nap. But anyway, I'm gonna get off here because I'm probably gonna go to sleep in about maybe 15-20 minutes. Because here it's basically almost 4 in the morning. I don't know wherever y'all are watching that, but whenever I upload this, that's what it would be. That's what the time would be here. Anyway, bye guys. I'm gonna get off here, and I will see y'all in the next vlog. Alright, bye guys. Bye.